Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Look at the torso! I can't see the six-pack. He's hiding. Okay. Anyways, 20 BM 40X. That's the winning result. Now you can see the six-pack. All right. 1,340 winners. Congratulations. Please add 1,060. Your top winner. Special compliments. Now let's continue. Ready? Skitty pa pa pa. That one can help you packing. Oh, this one? Yeah. I even wouldn't need to rent another car. This guy, he would be able to like my big corner couch, just like carry in one arm, not even two. Oh, well, hi. Good day to you as well. Welcome. 7X on 1, 5X on 20. Come on, one of them. We got it. Woohoo! Odd number 1, Monster Mash 7X. Let's go.
It's the Monster Mash.
Oh my days. All right, we applied that 7X.
The Monster Mash.
This is very exciting.
Graveyard smash.
Ready? Ready. Good luck.
The Monster
All right, 28 for the legs, 28 for the torso, and we got 5X global multi for the head. We applied that one to those two. 280X. Mwah. We did it! Let's go back now. 1,380 winners. So cool. Play at 18.5 thousand. Play K, play V, play Lucky Man, play A.
If your result does not get revealed till the very end, that's a fantastic, bombastic news for you, trust me. Okay, let's open up, see what we got from the lowest to the highest. The hardest part was somewhere on the sides. Yeah, well, that looks like on the right side here. 100, solo option. Now 2X, last hope for somebody. That goes to the top right corner. There are 20Xs, triple of 14Xs were added. Hey, back in reds, guys. Enjoy your winnings, especially if you manage to pull out 100X. They're not so easy. Over 1,100 wins all together. And betting time's up for the next spin. Headache again? Oh no, Bella. Again 3X. Bella. What is this between you and Hotspot? Maybe you're just too hot and the Hotspot is jealous of you, Bella. That's why. That's the reason, you know? Most of the problems normally go from the hidden jealousy. As a lady, I can guarantee. Don't be upset, my honey. Stay strong, okay? I hope the life will return the good energy to you. We are having a Monster Mash with a 4X wheel multiplier. 4 times more muscle power.
Monster Mash.
get ourselves 15X and 3X and battery charges, 7X and 5 bucks. Let's go. Enjoy your time. Let's roll it. Let's see what we can do. Look at that battery charge. Let's go. Well, you gotta tell me about that, Hans. Once we're gonna go deal with the battery charger. You tell me after that, okay? When we get back. I'd like to hear what it's about. Hello there. A beautiful 15X of a battery charger. You know what that is? 600X total in this one. Nice, eh? And we got Eye of the Tiger in the background, baby. Yeah, yeah. So stand up, ladies and gentlemen, the 30X is a no-go. Coming up next is 225X, and that wouldn't be the worst, but let's see what we got. That's a no-go. 75X swinging up here, and that will be a no. 600X, come to coffee. I know you want to. Come on. No? Okay. I don't want to watch this one. I don't want to look. 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 And I have to look. That's a no-go. Yeah, baby. 45's goodbye. 300X, you know what? Papa don't mind. That's a beautiful. Look at that. We got ourselves 806 miles nicely done.
Lost who? You know, you don't need to bring up, though, yourself, though, in that equation, though, because we got thousands of winners, though, no matter what. Whether it's a leap or a bonus round. So I can't exactly be down the globe because things might not be going according to your plan. I got plenty of players. This does not revolve around a single player or a single back. So we got 4 globals, 5X, 7, 10. I'll congratulate whoever, though, I see, though, on a winners list. Plain and simple. If that's too much for you, you got the audio settings on the top right side. Oh, do we have an X? Oh, tippity top, number 6, 4X on the line. Battery charger, 4 times the fun. It's been a while. Battery charger, baby. All right, so 4 times the amount, and it makes you wonder how much we might have on the line. All right, so the max multi is 400X. Solid amounts. I guess, here we go again. Battery charger waits for no one there, right? Let's crank it. 40 on the line. Red. We need to skip that 8. On the line, though. Red. Yes, sir. No, can't do. Battery number 3, 60 on the line. Still red, so still on the ground cover though. 12. It's still red. 160. I could be okay with that one. Battery number 5. Still red. Oh, this is getting really tight. 28. Can we skip this one? Red. Oh, thank you. So 120. Still red. Can we double up though? Come on, give us green on this one. 2X, gold. It's red. So it's either a 20 or 400. As long as this one is a red. Yes! It's red. 400X battery charger. Let's go. Congratulations on a win. As I said, battery charger has been quite amazing. Spot on. Let's head on back to the wheel. 1,436 orders Jade. Most satisfying par. The top 3 helpets on a win. Paying upwards up to 4 grand. Not bad. Congratulations. Place the bets. Let's do it again. Ooh. Let's do another one. Thank you so much. Don't even thank me, Cody. Oh, that was good. Absolute legend. Queenie. Up top. Like wireless up top. Come on. Up top. Right. 220 minutes nicely done. Row on. That's about 3 minutes out. Enjoy your time. Let's go. Everybody to Lightning Storm model plays available. Can but a wheel, give it an odd, even numbers with a single click. Storm Chaser. If you line on Lightning Storm, no matter what it is, you can still receive it as yours. Multiply Chaser, same concept. Line on multiply it's yours, multiply 50X. X Hotspot, 4X multipliers, 50X 5 on, 2X on, battery charger, good luck. Well now, Queenie, I mean, since you got 100 out there, no, that I understood, yeah, only afterwards. Yeah, baby! I'm not even gonna say anything. Look at that. Well. A 20 of a fireball with a 50X from the wheel. Well, we reached a new color. You see that? That's gold. 10,000 XIs, baby. Woo! Let's go. Well. I have
that beauty. 250X of the red, baby. What a beauty. 715, what is that?
It was a brave Hotspot.
That's a 2, 3, and a, come on. 4. Total is 9 now. Congrats, everybody. Time to get back to the wheel. That's a 43 special congrats to the top outers of the round. Final seconds for you. Fast and close. Fast and close. You prefer Kelly or Hermes, Hermes or Birkin? None of them. None. I would prefer a car. I'm into cars, not pieces of clothing or accessories. 5X Lotto Storm, guys. Woo! Let's go. And that sounds good already. Stay there. Just rock it like a hurricane. Are you ready? Woo! X5. My days. 2000X highest one. Time to decide. Choose an elevator where you think the highest multiplier strike is gonna land at. First one. Come on. 200. 200. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. 175X. Rock you like a hurricane. 350 IS1. Woo! 350X on the first one. Highest 1,347 winners. Special congrats to jump owners of the round. Let's go!
Congratulations to all your winnings. 215 players, well done. 635, Script and Andy. I cannot see you as the top winners. How can this be legal? Alright, Ian, with this question, approach to the live support and chat moderator, please. I'm just the host. I have no response here. Only one thing I can say, because guys enjoy. It's a game, and all the results are random, automatic, and don't forget responsible gambling. You need to be also responsible of your actions and decisions, and don't blame anyone else of your action or decision you made. Alright, 10X and Lightning Storm. Oh, wow, that's the highest multi. Oh, wow, guys. You see, bad one? Yeah, I'm bad. Because we get a Lightning Storm with a world multi. So, guys, bye-bye. See ya on the roof. Hey guys, it's time to update the multi-10X, and look at that! Wow, this is all yours. Enjoy. It's not rush as well. Which lightning strike to choose? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Okay, the most popular number 2 I see, as always. And what do we think here? Lightning strike number 1. Let's see what we're gonna have. X and 200X. 350X in total. trick number 2. 500x, 200x, and 800x, guys. And the total is 800x. Lightning strike number 3. Also in the global multis. And we are going to have 300x and 100x. In total, it's a 400x. 350x, 800x, and 400x. All the 3 lightning strikes. See ya, guys. Well done, wonderful winnings. We have also 551 players T1. But with the highest is the lightning strike number 2. You've got the 800x. Also, guys, thank you for betting and good luck to you. More than welcome, RC. Of course. Okay.
We're slowing down, so that'll be a different winning segment. That's a bonus round. We got a battery charger. Segment number 3. Hey guys, so 50x is the highest multi. First battery is the 3x, and that goes down. What about the 15x? Also goes the same way. Now the lowest option on the palette, so to say 2x, and that's gone. Good news. Highest option now 50x. Woohoo! We got it, guys. First battery charger is quite generous. My congratulations. So we had almost 1,000 people winning this round. Franzo A9C and XEFPX got the highest ones. That's a time's on for the next spin. Hi, favorite. It's hi to you, hi. Betting time's over. Good luck. Oh, good luck to you in the last one, will you? There is some juicy hotspot flapper. Can we get that, please? A nice breakfast for the morning. Woohoo! We got it! Hotspot with a 15x wheel multiplier. That'll be some yummy breakfast time, guys. So guess what? You have a opportunity to win up to 1,500x on this bonus round. Let's go! I cannot wait to see how many of you are gonna get 1,500x. Decision time is on. Pick one of the segments. Also, don't forget about the odds of the feature that will back you up in case of anything. And look at the apocalypse outside. Mind blowing! Okay, let's check your results from the lowest to the highest. So if you want to see your results till the very end, that's absolutely fantastic news for you. Okay, so best was somewhere in the corner to the top of the screen. That was on the left side, as you can see, 1,500x here, a couple of quite a few 750x around, sorry, not the couple. And the 2x there goes to the top of the screen, adding 600x once, few 450x's per 300x's. Look at that juicy menu. Woo! Rock and rollin' here, guys, right in the mornings. 1,063 wins. The top one goes to Franzo XFX, and Simone is the best. Got the second and the third place. Love you, dear. Hey, thank you. I'm wondering if that's the highest of the day, guys. We just added 1,500x. It has very good chances to be one.
Rules 0509, my compliments to you. Betting time is open, players. Make a next choice, please.
That's enough. Bets closed. Wheel multipliers, players. 3 options. 3x and 6, 4x and 12, 20x and 13. Good luck. And the winning segment is number 13 hotspot with a 20 times multiplier. All right, let's check it out. All players, welcome to Hotspot. Thanks to the wheel multiplier, we enhance the values on this wall 20 times. The maximum multiplier is 2,000x. Decision time's yours. Where do you think you'll find a hotspot? It could be anywhere. You can let the
game decide for you as well. Final seconds, players. Everything will be revealed. Let's go. Starting from the very top. Man, all the multipliers already are worth more than 100x. We're starting to zone in, ladies and gentlemen. The hotspot is in the center, encasing 1000x multipliers, 800x multipliers. Double area will enhance multipliers even further. Upper left corner, receive the upgrades. Congratulations, players. Great success. This round's over. So who got what now? 19 players at 2000x multiplier, 36 players with 1000x multiplier, 183 players with a 400x multiplier. Wasya, compliments you at 12,000.
I'm the #1 host on Storm. I have some of the biggest wins on the history of this show, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to give up until players get a big win. Or battery charge, lightning storm. I'm not going to walk away. I'm not going to give up because I am Ben to win. 75x, good luck. Double 2x pro walls multiply whole battery multiplies by 2x. 40. That's all right. 40x, not bad. 40x, not better. See you guys at the wheel. Good luck. Hey guys. Remember, you can bet on X Chaser and Storm Chaser. Autoplays available. Check out Goose Statistics to learn more about the show. Good luck. What is the biggest win you get? You know what's crazy? Pal Dogs, I get that question all the time. And for a lot of hosts, they get the big win, like they get like the huge win, and they go like, and they talk about it forever. Like, oh, I got a big win one time on Lightning Storm in the lunchroom. Like, oh, I got a big win one time. Oh, one time I got a big win. But for me, when you're Ben, I've had so many big wins on this show, 7x on 20, that for me, it's nothing. For me, I get top slot multis all the time. It's nothing for me, guys. 7x 20. For me, it's nothing. Easy. I've had some of the biggest wins on the history of this show. Multiply all batteries by 7x. Easy. And you know what? For me, this is just another day at the office. 700 nights max. Just another day at the office, red on 21. Because I'm so used to getting big wins that when I red on 70, when I get big wins, it doesn't even feel special. Red on 14, 350. Just another day at the office, guys. Red on 350, 49. Okay, good. All right, 2x global. You have decent odds. Wow, look at that. Woo. Easy. Wow. Red on 280. Oh, man, it's 1,400. Whoa, we actually might get it. Please, please. Yeah, we got 1,400. Guys, I'm not even surprised. For me, I just get big wins. Let's see the winners list. 12,000 euros, 8,000 euros, 7,000 euros. Guys, you know, 834 winners. For me, it does.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.